How to enable dark mode in Windows 11. Let me show you. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. First, right-click on the desktop and select Personalize. Now go to the Themes option. Choose the Windows Dark theme, and your PC will switch to dark mode. Dark mode will apply everywhere, including File Explorer, the taskbar, settings, and other menus. You can also customize the look. Go back to Personalize and then select Colors. From the drop-down, choose Custom. Here you will see two options. If you want apps in light mode but Windows elements in dark, adjust the first option. If you want everything dark, select Dark for both. Below that, you will find the Transparency Effects option. Turn it off for a solid look, or keep it on for a modern effect. Next is Accent Colors. This allows you to change the highlight color, like the line under Open Apps on the taskbar. You can also apply accent colors to the Start menu and taskbar if you want a more personalized feel. Scroll down and you will see Contrast Themes. These are designed for better text and app visibility. Try them out and keep the one you like, or just stick with dark mode. And that's it. That's how you enable and customize dark mode in Windows 11. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Windows tutorials.